Malacañang approved daw po DFA Secretary Locsin's statement that China should get the F out of the West Philippine Sea. Is the use of expletive a signal that the Philippines is changing its rhetoric and diplomatic tactic against Beijing?
Hindi po namin pinaghihimasukan ang karapatan ng malayang pananalita ni Secretary Locsin.
Thank you, Secretary.
Punta po tayo kay Hannah Sancho, please.
Hi, Secretary. Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, Hannah.
Secretary, yes, sir. Yung grupo po ng mga nurses po, sir, ininadaing po nila yung hindi po pantay yung sweldo po ng mga Nurse 1 at Nurse 2. Sinasabi rin po nila hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin po sila nakakatanggap na benepisyo po tulad ng mga food allowance. At hiling po nila na kung maaari ay makipagdialogo po sila sa Department of Budget and Management. Ano po ito ng palasyo po, sir?
Well, siguro si Yusek Vega. I'm sorry, Yusek Vega, no? But I have to put you on the spot dahil you're also acting OIC as Yusek for Finance ng DOH. So ang tanong po nila is, again, number one, yung difference ng sweldo sa Nurse 1 and Nurse 2, at saka yung hindi natatanggap na, anong allowance? Food allowance?
Food allowance and hazard pay din po,
And
sir.
hazard pay. Yusek Vega?
Okay, thank you, Hannah, for the query. Ano? Alam nyo, yung starting position talaga ng Nurse 1, as abided by DBM because of the Supreme Court ruling, Nurse 1 becomes from 11 to salary grade 15. Ito po yung victorious na yung pagpasok ng Nurse 1 entry level, pero na-distort po yung pay grade nila kasi halos pareho na sila ng Nurse 2. Ito yung sinasabi ng Department of Health na we need to adjust the Nurse 2 position into a higher level grade para hindi naman sila pare-pareho ng Nurse 1. So yung aming ngayon proposal for a higher salary grade for Nurse 2 is with DBM right now kasi hindi ka agad magkaroon ng resolution dahil kailangan nga daw sabi ng DBM a legal basis to do that. And we are also writing the Senate committee sa Congress, both houses, para malaman din yung situation wherein the Nurse 2 should have a higher grade position. And that is the position na actually ng Department of Health na dapat mas mataas ng salary grade yung Nurse 2 position. Ayun naman dun sa food allowance, kung lahat ng mga regional centers at saka regional health offices at saka regional centers po under the Department of Health, binaba na ho namin, sinapalat na namin yan since last year, yung food allowance. Pero yung sa corporate facilities, lalong-lalo na dito sa Metro Manila, Heart Center Kidney Institute, gusto ho nila ang disbursement po noon, yung lalo na yung food provision into food allowance. So sinasabi na po namin to na sinabi ng COA sa amin na kailangan talaga may imprimatur ang President for converting a food provision to a food allowance. So ang sinulatan na ho namin yung Office of the Executive Secretary po tungkol nga dyan. And secondly, we have already talked with the Alliance of Health Workers na sinabihan po namin that the only way to do that for provision to cash would be through the Executive Secretary, through the President. So yun yung ngayon. These are the issues pending. And for the hazard, alam nyo, yung since last year, nabigay na namin yung hazard and even the special race allowance. Tapos na ho yun. But what we are asking for DBM right now is the hazard pay from January to June of this year. So we're asking a budget for that because hindi na kinaya ng bayanihan 2. So we're hoping that we will be given that provision from DBM. So ano na ho namin, we can actually easily download yung hazard pay and the special risk allowance.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.